Hi, so this is the video portion of Googling Your Ideal Exercises, a busy parent's guide. All right, I'm a busy parent, so this is ideal for me, and I know some of my audience are busy parents, or even if you're not a parent, you could probably use these strategies too, because like I know how difficult it is, when you're juggling family, your own personal life, and work, right? Those are not easy things, especially nowadays when there's so many different things going on. When you have, errands to run all the time now, everyone's always connected. There just isn't that kind of time where you can always carve out an hour or more than an hour to hit the gym or to do your workouts like that you want. And sometimes it's frustrating because, you always hear work on yourself, but it usually doesn't happen if you're busy with kids, right? So for me, I just want to give my experiences and share you my tips on how to basically Google ideal exercises for, like the busy parent or the busy person. So here we go. Okay, so I'm on my computer. It's a very old computer, so bear with me. It might take a while to load, and I don't mind all the stickers like that are on my computer there. I used to be a software developer in a past life, a little bit paranoid with webcams and mics. And also, when you have a 3-year-old daughter, sometimes you get shark stickers on there too. So, all right, let me open up a new window here. Here's Google. So we're going to pick a quick topic. A popular topic: how to lose weight. So that's a really general question, but I see a lot of people typing it in, and a lot of people have asked me about how do I lose weight. That's very general. It's not very specific. So let's see what Google has to say about that. So let's put that in there. If I can type properly, how to lose weight. So with how to lose weight in Google, I get 752 million search results. And I don't know if you have time to go through all 752 million results, but I certainly don't. And that's going to take a lot of time, and it'll probably be really frustrating to find exactly what you're looking for. Because let's see, the first result here says, here are 10 more tips to lose weight even faster. I didn't ask for that specifically, how to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps. I didn't ask for that either, but it comes up, right? Because the question we put into the search was so general. Here's a 7-step plan to lose 10 pounds in a week. How to lose weight and keep it off. Want to lose weight? Here's 5 easy things to do instead of dieting. So those are all very great search results, but they're just all over the place. So say, I have a wedding I need to get to, and I want to fit into my suit, and that's coming up in about, 3 months or so. And I want to lose, 5 pounds in 3 months, right? So that's a bit more specific. I could probably even get more specific than that, but let's just put that and see what happens. How to lose 5 pounds of fat in 3 months. As you can see, now that search result drops it to 1,590,000. That's way less than 752 million search results. It's still a lot of search results, but as you can see, right, by making your query more specific, it does cut down on the number of search results, so therefore cutting down the amount of time like that you're gonna have to weed through a lot of irrelevant results for you. So, and you can see, right, like now you'll start to see, how to lose 5 pounds of belly fat in 30 days, how to lose 5 pounds in a month, how to lose weight loss fast still, 3 ways to lose 5 pounds in a month, right? So it starts to be more specific in terms of the searches like that. It's like the results that that's providing you because you're more specific on your search. And I have a cheat sheet, all right, it's a free download that'll take you through 4 quick questions that'll help you refine your questions and make them more specific and clear. So when you type it into any search engine, right, you're going to get back better results, more targeted for you. So download that. It's in the descriptions, right? It'll pop you over to the blog, but you can get it right from there. It'll save you tons of time and frustration. So make sure you download that. That's how I would be doing a Google search. It's going to dramatically cut down the amount of time that you're going to waste and the frustration that you're going to have by getting more relevant results for you. As you can see from our little experiment there, right, by just tweaking our search a little bit, it dramatically cut down the amount of search results that we received. So that's going to help a lot. And my cheat sheet is going to be able to get your brain to kind of think that way by asking for quick questions, right? And I said, like, I have examples in there so you can kind of just go through them and just have a look of how to be from general to specific. And for next week's episode, I'll be doing more time-saving techniques on how to specifically look for effective and efficient exercises. I'll show you some of the ones that I do when I don't have time to do an hour-long workout or even a 30-minute workout, but they're effective for what I need to help maintain and to get my results. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully it'll help you save more time so you can do more of your important things that you enjoy. And subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll get notifications of when I upload new videos and episodes of exercises and any other fitness related topics. And hit me up with comments if you want, for like any questions that hopefully I'll be able to answer. And thanks for watching.